From farm to factory, this is how giant bananas begin their journey.
These bananas are bigger than you imagine, heading straight to a high-tech juice factory.
Step 1. Precision washing and quality inspection.
Advanced machines remove every peel with zero waste.
Perfect cuts ensure smooth, premium banana juice.
This is where bananas turn into pure liquid gold.
Removing fibers to create ultra-smooth banana juice.
Every bottle is filled with precision and hygiene.
Only perfect juice passes our final inspection.
From giant banana farms to your table, this is how real banana juice is made.